Alrighty guys, in today's video with FlexiSTARTER, we're going to be looking at the printer option under the print feature. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Always back in the program here. Now, just a quick reminder, this is a mini series on printing to a desktop printer. In other words, we're going to be printing to a PDF file for previewing before we send it to the final printer. Also I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can actually follow along. So now in today's video, like I mentioned, we're going to be looking at the printer settings. So in order to locate that, we want to go to our file under the main menu. We navigate to print, or Control P is the shortcut for that. Then I'm just going to say yes to automatically adjust the dimensions. And then, like I mentioned, the first option here is printer. So now, the first one here, we've got the name. And I would have maybe titled it a bit more type or something like that, but we've already got type here. So in other words, what this does is you can actually select what you want to print to. So as you can see, we've got fax, we've got print to PDF, print to Microsoft XPS document viewer, or OneNote desktop. I'm just going to leave it on the default, so Microsoft print to PDF. And then what you can do is also you can go to the properties of this. Now this will obviously vary depending on what you have selected, but for our sake we're just going to be using this first one. So we've got orientation, portrait, and landscape. If I leave it on portrait and I say okay, you will see it has changed our preview to a portrait version of it. So we can simply just go to properties again, put it back to landscape, and say okay. Then under that we've got the status. So at the moment it says ready, so that means everything is fine. You can actually just print. Then type, like I mentioned before, we've got the Microsoft print to PDF. This will change depending on what name you change it to. And then under that we've got the PostScript data. So basically this will be the way it translates information before it prints it. So then we obviously have the two options there. We've got the binary and the AC or ASCII. So the binary is basically, it will use the binary type of data to compress the binary encoding sent to the printer. And the other one is the ASCII, which is basically stands for the American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So that is the type of coding it's going to use to interpret the document before it prints it. So I'll just leave it at the default normally. So that is ASCII. But otherwise, that is it on the printer options for the printer. If we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also we can isolate our search on the top right. If we do not, or should I say, if you guys do not find the video you're looking for, you can always go here, request a training video, and we will make that video for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching. Until next one, cheers.